Gonna hold your hand, te, kasi medyo harsh to. Hindi medyo, but harsh talaga, te. But here are the 3 harsh reminders if you are feeling down in your life right now. First is, no matter how much you struggle in your life right now, life goes on. I do not care, te, kung gaano ka kahirap, kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo, te, kung ano yung heartbreak mo, life goes on. The world will still spin, te. Maging successful ka man, mag-fail ka, mamatay ka, or anything, te, still, life goes on. Number 2 is, you are not special. Lahat tayo is merong sari-sariling problema, te. Yes, magkakaiba-iba man ng bigat, magkakaiba-iba man ng form ng problema, te, but lahat tayo is merong problema. Even mayayaman tayo is meron pa rin yung problema, so ikaw, te, hindi ka bago. You are not special. And last but definitely not the least, te, is that no one will save you but you. Again, no one will save you but you. Ikaw at ikaw lang din talaga tayong magbabago ng life mo. Walang gagawa tayo ng pag-exercise mo. Walang gagawa tayo ng pagbabasa mo. Walang mag-a-apply tayo ng skincare mo, te. No one will do the work better than you. Ikaw at ikaw pa rin talaga tayong makakapagbago ng lahat. It takes one decision to do the action. So, it's really up to you. That's why I always remind you na sometimes you can be your biggest ally and you can be your biggest enemy. You are the mountain. You are the barrier. So, change something there because nothing change if nothing change. That's all. Follow for more.